Spice Express, which is a cargo arm of SpiceJet, is delighted today to address this forum to speak on the transformation of the air cargo logistic business. Spice Express was basically started by the management in 2018. We started this cargo freighter business in 2018, starting with 2 aircrafts and then scaling it to 5 aircrafts. So this is how the journey of Spice Express cargo freighter started. 2020 March, when this pandemic hit the entire world as well as India, everybody in the industry, especially the aviation industry, was shaken up. So we at SpiceJet in 2020 March, we all were shaken up by the pandemic, and everybody was thinking what has to be done next. We had a small team of our cargo, and this is the time when we all started thinking what has to be done, as all the passenger flights were grounded and we had only cargo planes. And this is the time where each and every member of our cargo team gave a thought, what next, how to bring cargo, because all passenger flights were grounded. And then we thought of a cargo on seat, which was a new concept. The cargo on seat concept, we have done a trial in 2016, and that is how the idea came. We should start using our grounded aircraft cargo on seat. As we have done the trial, we knew all the detailed how the loading has to be done, because the cargo has to be loaded on the seat. So it was a technical subject also. But our team then initiated that. We planned and we launched the cargo on seat, especially for the fresh vegetable perishable products out of India to international Middle East countries. Then after that, the PP kit started, and we operated with the help of Ministry of Civil Aviation freighters to China. And this is how the journey, we started our cargo in spite of all the passenger business which was halted due to the pandemic. Today, Spice Express, we have 7 Q Bombardier freighter aircrafts. We have 5 freighters, Boeing 737, 700 and 800, as well as we have 10 wide-body aircrafts which are flying internationally. And today Spice Express is flying to US, Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and each and every corner of the world. In fact, we also started the new international destination, Brussels, which was in India. There was no connecting from India to Brussels, and we succeeded in starting Bombay-Brussels flight freighters also. We at Spice Express, we believe that we should keep on innovating new business, new ideas, new strategy. During the pandemic, we also started our Spice Pharma Pro, as by the time the vaccines preparedness was started. So the product we have to develop to maintain the vaccine's temperatures, and we developed our Spice Pharma Pro product also. Spice Express has started the first vaccine shipment in India, and we were the first to carry the shipment of vaccines with complete SOP procedures being followed, and flying on our Bombardier Q400, which is a 6-tonner aircraft which can easily go to any of the airstrips in India. The delivery time, what we have done for the vaccines, was around 8 to 10 minutes, which was appreciated by AI class as well as Ministry of Civil Aviation. Also, during this pandemic, Krishi Udan, which was also a part of Ministry of Civil Aviation, Spice Express exported a lot of agri produce to Middle East countries, which helped our farmers also. Then we started to help our fishermen, and we started the freighters for marine, that is shrimps business from Chennai, Surat, Calcutta, all these airports, which helped our fishermen drastically. Spice Express also started lay operations, which was a very challenging operation, as this was the first freighter to be started at Leh, and we made successful operations to Leh also. Some of the opportunity areas that are pushing growth are India's geographic advantage connecting to east of the world to the west of the world. The Make in India movement. India is well poised geographically to the gateway for neighboring countries Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Bhutan. We at Spice Express also have done a multi-modal transportation from Dhaka to Calcutta by road, and from Calcutta to Delhi and to Spain. The multi-modal first air transportation of cargo business, Spice Express took the initiative and pioneered into this multi-modal cargo connectivity business. Now all these achievements, what Spice Express has been doing, it was basically our CEO, Mr. Sanjeev Gupta's vision. Under his leadership and his drive to our team, that made us more thinking and also out of box new ideas which generated, and all the team was full energetic and charged up under his leadership, because he has to drive. And during the pandemic, when the situation, everybody was having a fear or what something will happen, if we go to office or something, or they will become COVID positive. But our CEO drive and the motivation he used to give us, our team, that made us come to office daily, and daily we have to think what today we have to do, how much cargo we have to generate. So it was the drive of our CEO, Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, which made our team work day and night. Also in the warehouse, our staff was working day and night, and everybody has one vision. Spice Express should be number one logistic company in India, as well as in the entire world. So new things, new ideas, this was the strategy what Spice Express has been doing. We are pioneered into vaccines. We have pioneered into oxygen concentrator. We pioneered into Krishi Udan. We pioneered into marine. We pioneered into different types of products. And these are the different types of products which made our customers delighted. We, as a freighter company, wanted to help the nation during this pandemic situation. And Spice Express today is the number one logistic company in India, having 22 freighters flying not only domestically but also internationally. And this could not have been achieved without our vision of our CEO, Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, who is very experienced and a very mindful person, who made us drive. Do not think what will happen tomorrow. Think of today and see that we make this company, Spice Express, number one logistic company. And with this note, I thank you all for all the support and all the stakeholders, as well as the Ministry of Civil Aviation, DGCA, AI Class, and all the airport operators. Without their support, we could not have achieved. And also in this pandemic situation, we could not have done anything possible without their support. I thank everyone